started this one, actually it's deaf initiated. What we're trying to do with the Faces of Silence is to promote sensitivity towards deafness and towards persons with disability. The goal of the Faces of Silence is to put a face of the real issue of deafness and of disability, since majority of persons with disability are invisible in society. Uh, the good thing about this one, when you donate your face, is that during the time that you are putting up a mask in your face, you also feel, no? You will be able to put yourself into a person with disability shoe, like minus yung senses mo, like sight, you're not able to talk, you'll not be able to move around. So during the time that the mask will be drying, so the person also will have a deep inner realization of the feeling of a person with disability.